Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing the right rear reverse light on a 1985 Chevy Caprice Classic. We're going to go underneath from the back side of the bumper up and get access to the bulb that way. This is shown here from the shop manual diagram. It gives you the wiring and the bulb placement behind the rear bumper for reference. Here's the backing lamp. It tells us it's 1156 is the bulb number for all models, whether it's Malibu, Monte Carlo, Chevrolet. All right, so we're underneath the car now. Just to give you some orientation, looking up, that's the gas cap from behind the license plate holder, and I'm coming over towards the passenger side of the car now. And so there you can see the white plastic, that's for the reverse light. And if you look up behind this wiring harness here, you're going to see the connector for the bulb right up there. So that's what we're going to work on removing here to get access to that burned out bulb. So I'm going to try to reach up underneath here so the lighting's good for you, to show you where we're going to take this, rotate it out to free the bulb. You can see it's kind of a locking clip and it's locked in place. Okay, so to get this out, we just had to reach up and with two hands, one here and one here, a couple fingers, we're going to rotate this counterclockwise that way. And it feels like you're going to break something. Just be very careful in case it's stuck. But once you free that, you've opened up the locking clip, and now, as you can see, you can pop out to expose the bulb. It takes a good bit of jimmying to get this out, but as you can see now, we've freed the harness and there's the bulb. And we're going to unscrew the clip locking the bulb in place. Ideally, what you should be doing for this is taking apart and off the entire lens assembly. Those are those wing nuts in the trunk. You would take those off, unscrew over here. I'm missing one here, but you have another one here, and pop the whole thing off so you can access these easier. To get the bulb out, it's push in, a twist and release. So just push in, turn counterclockwise, and then you can wiggle the bulb out. And there you go. All right, so here's the old bulb we took out. And here's a set of the 1156. You don't want to handle these bulbs with your fingers, so I'm going to put on a pair of gloves when we reattach that. These clips here, or these knobs here, are going to go in, and then we're going to turn clockwise until they clip in place. So you're just going to feel for where it wants to go in like that, push it in, turn it until it locks, and that's it. Now, and then we'll fish this back up. I'm going to feed this in, this plastic clip here. So seat that in like that, press, and then we're going to rotate it clockwise until it latches in place like that. And that's how it was, if you can see there. All right, so here we are now. We're going to test out the lights. We have the brake lights on, and we're going to shift the car into reverse. There's both of the reverse lights, so we know the bulb replacement worked. Okay, we'll shift it back into park, and now we'll check with the headlights on to make sure all the tail lights work, and now you can see all 6. With the car in park, we'll let off the brake pedal, and now you can see the nighttime tail lights, and then we'll turn the tail lights off. Okay, so we verified everything works, and the bulb replacement wasn't that hard to do. Thanks very much for watching.